DMAC property for sale in Dubai. This time, DMAC is presenting DMAC District project that comes with residential and office space. So it can be called as two-in-one project. It offers apartments with 1 and 2 BR configuration that just starts from AED 1.1 M. Even its office space, which is scattered over a good size, comes with AED 6 million. If we talk about its amenities, then it comes with different range of features starting from kids play area, cinema, co-working space, 14 different parks in its community, 17-kilometer jogging track, 650 retail shop within the states, and lots more. Along with this, if we talk about its payment plan, then its 60/40 payment plan offers a flexible mode of payment. Initially, you just have to pay 20% of the total amount to freeze your unit, whether you are buying an apartment or office space. If you ask me why to choose DMAC district, then its affordability, which is starting from just AED 1.1. It's two-in-one investment opportunity whether you buy an apartment or office. Its prime location, which is DMAC Hills, that is a self-centric community that comes with various of amenities within the state, and its ROI goes up to 7%. If you ask me another reason, then that would be the brand value of DMAC, who holds trust all over Dubai. So these are some compelling reasons for which you should buy any type of property in DMAC district. If you want to buy now, or you want any community comparison, or you want to go deep down about the project, then Dubai Housing provides the right legal assistance where every single information will be given to you to have authentic investment opportunity in Dubai. So if you are a budgeted home buyer, then this one is for you because of its compelling price range. If you are an investor, then office space would be a great option for you because it is a two-in-one property that ensures footfall and great working experience. So this way you will earn high rental yield and even appreciation in the future, because in Dubai the office space are growing really well. So do not miss out this lucrative investment deal where this office as well as residential project is a big mixture to avail.